Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage the low blue light mode in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So here, as you can see, we are now in our home and we can go to the left and scroll down to the settings here. Now we have to go into all settings and here we have to scroll down. Here we have to click the picture here and scroll down to the eye care. Here the first thing we can see is eye saver mode. We can click that and set it to low or high here. Here we have actually low preset and high, and to set we have to click on it and here click yes. Of course it can increase or decrease the power consumption based on the preset. And that's how it works. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.